Welcome to Math with Mr. B. Let's look at this NECO question 2025. Evaluate 2 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2 all over 4 whole number 1 over 2 and minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. So to solve this question, so this is fractions, a question from fractions. So it's very simple. So we try to simplify the fractions above the line and then the one below the line, then combine them together. So let's see. So we have solution. So 2 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2. So the whole numbers there, we can add that together. We have 2 plus 3, that's 5. Then for this, the fractional parts of it. So the LCM of this, so is 4. That's the common denominator. So 4 in 4, that's 1. 1 times 1, 1. Then 2 in 4, that is 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. So this will give us 5 whole number 3 over 4. So for the fractions below the line, so let's have that here also. We have 4 and a half minus 2 1/4. So let's see how we simplify this. So 4 minus 2, that will give us 2. So for the fractional part, the common denominator 2 and 4, that's 4. The LCM is 4. So 2 in 4, that will give us 2 times 1, that's 2. Then 4 in 4, that is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. So this will give us 2 number 1 over 4. So bringing the two together, we have 5 whole number 3 over 4 all over 2 number 1 over 4. So let's convert this into an improper fraction. So 24 times 5, that will give us 20 plus 3, that's 23 over 4. And then down here we have 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 over 4. So this implies that we have 23 over 4 divided by 9 over 4. So now for division of fraction, there's a mantra you have to keep note of, is keep, change, and flip. So you keep the first fraction, you change the sign, and then you flip the second fraction. So let's do that. 23 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9. So 4 is common. So this is gone. We have 23 over 9. So how many 9 can we see in 23? That is 2. That's 18. So remainder 5 over 9. So this is the answer. So the correct option here is option D. So I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.